L.R.A. Enterprises Auto Museum and Sales present this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396 375-horse L-89 car from the outstanding Jeff Mauk Collection of classic-era Chevrolet muscle machines. This numbers-matching 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Supersport was the recipient of a professional nut and bolt rotisserie restoration to splendid condition and has been certified by Jerry MacNeish of Camaro High Performance. This car is one of 311 L-89s produced for the year. It has an original vinyl top, its original tinted glass, the original YJ-coated rally wheels with beauty rings, the original CH-coated Harrison radiator. The car was sold at Jack Maxton Chevrolet in Worthington, Ohio. Finished in frost green metallic with black stripes, a black vinyl roof, with a matching black interior, and powered by a 396 cubic inch aluminum-headed V8 engine paired to a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it's a classic combination of American muscle. The car also incorporates soft ray tinted glass, re-chrome bumpers, a push-button AM/FM radio, and in place of the standard Supersport hood with chrome intake bezels, the optional ZL2 special ducted hood. The L-89 aluminum head big block V8 was one of many powertrain option choices for the 1969 Camaro, but it was by far the rarest application. The L-89 is endowed with 11:1 compression, as well as forged internals, a solid lifter cam, and an aluminum intake manifold topped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The high-flow aluminum cylinder heads are responsible for unleashing additional horsepower while saving weight, 75 pounds worth in the front end. This in turn drastically improved the car's front-to-rear weight distribution for NHRA stock and superstock racing. The SS features include power brakes with front discs, black lower sills, simulated rear fender louvers, hood insulation, the hockey stick front fender stripes, special suspension, hood, and trim, as well as Goodyear polyglass white letter tires on 14x7-inch rally wheels. This Camaro is in excellent condition. It's Jerry MacNeish certified. It comes with a copy of the original title and a binder of documentation accompanies this beautifully restored L-89 powered 1969 Camaro SS. Don't miss this one-of-a-kind car and this one-of-a-kind opportunity. Call or email with any questions or to set up an appointment. Reach us at 215-781-3790 or sales@lrasales.com. Thanks so much for taking a look at this incredibly rare and incredibly fantastic 69 Camaro 396 L-89.